Did you know that 1 in 4 employees uses 4 or more tools just to gather context at work? And when it's time to write a project report, that chaos really shows. There's pressure, there's confusion, and there's always that fear of leaving out the most important things. Plus, you can't get away with the bare minimum on your report. Your clients read them, and your managers track progress with them. Getting it right can truly make your project shine. But the tricky part is, where do you even start? Do you go high level or dive into the details? Do you focus on wins or risks or both? And don't even get me started on the formatting. Well, don't worry. Today we'll sort things out for you. We'll see how to create a project report that's clear and professional. We'll also introduce you to tools like ClickUp, which make things easier for project managers with project report templates and context-aware AI. Stick around till the end for our best tips. First things first, before you write a single word of your report, take a step back to define its purpose. Ask yourself, why am I writing this, and who will read it? For example, your clients may want a project report that shows clear progress, delivered value, and accountability for outcomes. But the C-suite wants a project report that highlights strategic impact, risks, and ROI at a glance. What you can do is use ClickUp Docs to give a little shape to your research. Jot down the purpose, outline your objectives, and decide how much detail your audience needs, all in one place. What's even more awesome is you can invite your team to collaborate and share their amazing ideas in real time. Once your purpose and audience are clear, you can download ClickUp's Final Project Report template. This template takes all that planning and gives you a ready-made structure to start filling in the details without staring at a blank page. Now that you know your audience, it's time to get them the details they want through the project report. To put this together, you'll need to understand who's doing what. Are resources overloaded or underutilized? How does the budget look? For this, use ClickUp Tasks, lists, and folders to track your project progress, milestones, and deliverables. Everything you need for your report, data, documents, images, spreadsheets, can be attached right there in the task view. No more hunting through emails or random drives. To top off your search, ClickUp Dashboards give you a visual snapshot of the project's timelines, workloads, and AI-powered status updates in one place. By organizing your information this way, you will have a report that's accurate, up-to-date, and easy to read. All right, you've got all your info dumped into a ClickUp doc. Now what? It's time to add the final touches. Your data is awesome, but without the right structure and visuals, it's like a blockbuster movie with no lights or props. Nobody's going to be wowed. Use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and tables to make your report easy to scan. Next up, power up your report with ClickUp Brain's contextual AI. It can proofread for grammar, spelling, and clarity, summarize long notes, and even create action items or checklists from your report. And if you want some magic automation, Autopilot Agents can automatically generate and distribute your project updates as scheduled reports and on-demand answers. By the end of this step, your report isn't just complete. It's polished, professional, and practically doing some of the work for you. And once your report is polished and looking sharp, why stop there? If you want to save even more time on future reports, templatize this workflow in ClickUp. You can pick one of the 3 templates to start with. First is the Project Progress Report template. It is perfect for you if you want to track ongoing tasks and milestones without digging through 10 million emails. You can also explore the Business Status Report template. It is best for those who want to keep everyone in the loop. Next up, you can use the Project Reporting template. It is great for preparing crisp updates for stakeholders, covering budgets, timelines, and next steps. Simple, right? That's how writing a project report should be. With ClickUp, you can stay organized, save time, and actually enjoy this process. Yes, I said enjoy. Go ahead, give it a try, and watch your project reports go from meh to mic drop level. Sign up for free on ClickUp.com.